How to save/export video from CapCut to gallery. First, open CapCut. Once you're in CapCut, just select the video that you want to export. For me, it's gonna be this video. So I'm just gonna add some text on it. And just like that, I'm just gonna press return. And there we go. To export the video, you'll see the option of export right in the corner. Just press on export. And there you go, it's exporting. So now it says ready to share and then press done. So yeah, just go to your gallery or photos to check if the video is there. And yeah, we just gotta go, and here, as you can see, this is the video that we saved. So yeah, that's it for this video. Goodbye.